near Banbridge Northern in the county Down. One morning in July, down a comely lane came a sweet colleen, and she smiled as she passed me by. She looked so sweet from her 2 white feet to the sheen of her nut brown hair. Such a coaxing elf, sure I shook myself to make sure I was standing there. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Quay, and from Galway to Dublin town, no maid I've seen like the sweet colleen that I met in the county Down. As she onward sped, I scratched my head and I gazed with a feeling rare. And I said, says I, to a passer-by, who's the maid with the nut brown hair? He smiled at me and he said, says he, she's the gem of Ireland's crown. She's young Rose Mc Cann from the banks of the Bann, she's the star of the county Down. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Quay, and from Galway to Dublin town, no maid I've seen like the sweet colleen that I met in the county Down. I've travelled a bit but never was hit since my roving career began. But fair and square I surrendered there to the charms of young Rose Mc Cann. I had heart to let and no tenant yet did I meet with in shawl or gown, till in she went and I asked no rent of the star of the county Down. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Quay, and from Galway to Dublin town, no maid I've seen like the sweet colleen that I met in the county Down. Crossroads fair, I'll surely be there, and I'll dress in my Sunday clothes, with my hat cocked right and my shoes shone bright, for a smile from my nut brown Rose. No pipe I'll smoke, no horse I'll yoke, though with rust me plough turns brown, till a smiling bride by my own fireside sits the star of the county Down. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Quay, and from Galway to Dublin town, no maid I've seen like the sweet colleen that I met in the county Down.